Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget allows recurring transactions. Goodbudget is a popular budgeting app based on the envelope system. A key feature for any budgeting app is the ability to handle recurring expenses and income. The good news is, Goodbudget does allow you to set up recurring transactions. This means you can schedule things like your monthly rent, car payment, or your paycheck to automatically appear in your budget. You can choose the frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even every few months. This saves you from having to manually enter the same transactions over and over again. By using this feature, you can get a more accurate view of your future financial picture. You can see how upcoming bills will affect your envelope balances and plan your spending accordingly. It's a great way to automate part of your budget and stay on top of your finances without the constant manual effort. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.